Hello and welcome to the first official lecture of this course. We're starting with Module 1, where we'll cover fundamental concepts and preliminary steps for stock market investing. Even if some of these topics seem familiar, I encourage you to watch all the lectures in this module. It's crucial to understand why investing in the stock market is so important and how it can benefit you. The goal of this course is to prompt you to critically analyze your own finances and goals. This first lecture will focus on the importance of long-term investing in the stock market, which is central to our course objectives. People invest to make their money work for them, allowing them to focus on other activities, whether that's growing their income, spending time, family, or anything else that doesn't require actively trading time for money. The essence of investing is to put your money to work so it grows over time without you needing to constantly exchange time for income. The primary aim of investing is to grow your capital by placing it into investment vehicles that work for you around the clock. This growth, along with the income generated, is known as portfolio income. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to generate and manage portfolio income, enhance the value of your investments, and create multiple income streams beyond just your primary job. Our focus will include understanding technical analysis of companies and funds to make informed investment decisions. Remember, the primary objective of investing is to place your capital into investment vehicles that work continuously for you, growing both the value of your investments and generate income over time. This is why investing in the stock market is so beneficial and crucial for long-term financial success. One major reason people invest is to accelerate their savings for retirement, compared to simply saving a portion of their income each month. Investing allows you to harness the power of compound interest, which significantly boosts the growth of your investments. If you're not familiar with compound interest, don't worry, we'll cover it thoroughly in Module 2. By selecting solid funds and companies, you can enhance the value of your portfolio and generate steady passive income. This course will teach you how to analyze companies and funds to ensure they contribute to long-term growth and income. Investing in high-quality companies and funds that appreciate over time is far more effective at building wealth than just saving money. With compound interest, your portfolio's growth follows an exponential pattern, making your investments more productive compared to the linear growth of savings alone. We'll cover compound interest in detail in Module 2. For now, let's talk about why investing in the stock market is so valuable. It helps you build with and create multiple income streams. Having multiple income streams is important because it increases your income over time and protects you if one source of income, like a job, is lost. Investing in the stock market is a way to earn extra income and build financial security. We'll delve into compound interest in detail in Module 2. For now, let's discuss another key benefit of stock market investing. It helps grow your net worth and creates multiple income streams. Building multiple income streams is crucial for long-term financial security. Not only does it exponentially increase your income over time, but it also provides a safety net if one income source is lost. For example, if your job is your sole income source, losing it could put you in a difficult financial situation. Investing in the stock market helps mitigate this risk by generating additional streams of income. Remember, there are two main reasons for investing. 1. To grow the value of your investments and overall wealth over time. 2. To create multiple income streams, which provides financial stability and reduces reliance on a single income source. While it can take years or even decades to develop a substantial income stream from your investments, it's a worthwhile goal for all investors. Although creating multiple income streams could be a course in itself, we'll focus on how investing in the stock market can help you achieve this and build financial security. Grow your wealth over time. Create additional income streams for stability. Even though it might take years to build up a significant income from your investments, it's a crucial goal. We'll focus on how investing can help you achieve this financial security. This course isn't about creating multiple income streams from other sources, but it's important to know that building a stock market portfolio that generates income over time is one of the easiest ways to create passive income. By consistently reinvesting your earnings and contributing monthly, you can establish a money system that grows your wealth. Starting this system is as simple as opening an investment account and making regular contributions. I am excited to guide you through the course and show you how to build and manage your own stock market portfolio. Finally, investing in the stock market helps you build wealth and protect it from inflation, especially in times of low interest rates and increased money supply. By investing in solid assets, you can achieve returns that outpace inflation and preserve your wealth. In recent times, such as during the coronavirus pandemic, there has been an increase in money printing by governments. This practice can devalue the money you have in your bank account because each new dollar printed reduces the value of existing money. So what does this mean for you? If you only save money in a high-interest savings account, your risk is value decreasing over time due to the inflation, which is typically around 2% per year in a stable economy. While it's good to have some savings readily accessible, investing in productive assets that appreciate and generate income is crucial for growing your wealth and protecting it from inflation. In summary, investing in the stock market offers significant benefits over just saving money. In the next lecture, we'll dive deeper into why investing is far more effective than merely saving, especially with a long-term investment strategy. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to meeting you in the next session.